Think you're nailing push-ups? Most people believe they're doing them right, but in reality, tiny mistakes could be wrecking your shoulders and stealing your strength. Let's see if you've been making them. Mistake number 1, dropping your hips. Instead of holding a strong plank, your body sags like a hammock, putting all the stress on your lower back and wasting your core power. Mistake number 2, flaring your elbows out wide. This weakens your push and overloads your shoulders, making the exercise unsafe and less effective. Mistake number 3, doing only half reps. If you don't go all the way down and press back up, you're just cheating yourself of real strength and muscle growth. So be honest, out of these mistakes, how many have you been guilty of? 1, 2, or maybe all 3 without realizing it? Here's the truth. Push-ups aren't just an arm or chest exercise. When you do them properly, your entire body is working from your chest and triceps down to your abs, glutes and legs. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base is weak or unstable, the whole structure wobbles. But when it's strong, everything above it performs better. So how do you lock in that kind of perfect push-up form? Let's break it down step by step, starting with the basics. Step 1 is hand placement. Keep your hands just a little wider than your shoulders. Spread your fingers out for stability, and make sure your wrists are stacked right under your joints. Step 2 is body alignment. Imagine a straight line running from the back of your head all the way to your heels. Tighten your core and squeeze your glutes so your plank stays solid. If your hands slide too far forward, your shoulders will take the strain instead of your chest. That's one of the easiest but most damaging mistakes you can make. And if your elbows flare way out to the sides, your shoulders end up overloaded again. It's like turning a simple exercise into a long-term injury. Instead, keep your elbows tucked in at about a 45-degree angle. This position protects your joints and makes your chest and triceps do the work they're meant to. As you lower, bring your chest close to the ground, keeping your core tight and your hips level. Don't let gravity pull you out of that strong straight line. Then press back up with control. Drive your hands into the ground as if you're trying to push the earth away, and lock out at the top with strength. Still not sure about your form? Record yourself from the side. A simple phone video will reveal whether your hips are sagging, your back is arching, or your range of motion is off. When you fix those sagging hips and engage your core, suddenly the movement feels tighter, more powerful, and a lot safer on your spine. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On one side, sagging hips and flared elbows put the wrong muscles under pressure. On the other side, a straight line and tucked elbows light up the right muscles for true strength. Now let's step it up with tempo push-ups. Lower yourself slowly, 3 seconds on the way down. This forces control and activates your muscles in a whole new way. At the bottom, pause and hold for a second or two. That little pause builds tension and makes the push-up far more challenging. From there, explode upward. Push through the floor with power, as if you're launching your body off the ground. This builds explosive strength and speed. Want to push yourself further? Try the hand release push-up. At the bottom, lift your hands off the ground for a split second, forcing a full range of motion and eliminating cheating. Look at the difference. Beginners rush through with sloppy half reps, while advanced lifters slow it down. Control the movement and build real muscle. Which side do you want to be on? Let's quickly recap. Hands under shoulders, body in one straight line, elbows tucked at 45, and every rep full range from top to bottom. At the bottom, your chest is low, your elbows tucked, your core tight, and your hips perfectly aligned with the rest of your body. This, however, is what not to do. Hips sagging, back bent, and no stability. Avoid this at all costs. And this one too, flaring your elbows wide, is a recipe for shoulder pain. Keep them tucked to stay safe and strong. Now it's your turn. Drop down, get into position, and try 10 flawless push-ups right now. Focus on form, not speed, and feel the difference in your strength. When you master this movement, you'll not only build a powerful chest and arms, you'll also strengthen your core, protect your shoulders, and prove to yourself that you can push past limits. Keep going and you'll be unstoppable.